Oh no, that's not right. What is it, dear? Something's missing. Where is it?
Milk. Eggs. Bread. I need to get apples.
Come in. It's really warm in here. We're glad you made it. We were just about to eat.
All right, I've got the list. See you too soon.
Bye, honey. See you, Daddy. We're here. Look, it's the supermarket. Ready to go in? Wow, this place is amazing. Look at all the colors.
Let's find something delicious.
Look at me go, Mom. I see you, sweetie. Keep pushing.
Look, the rainbow cereal.
Oh, that's exciting.
Looks delicious.
Okay, let's see. Oh, I see it. We need this first. Yes. I found it, Papa. It's right here.
Good job, honey.
Look at that. Wow, look.
Oh, I see it.
Wow. Look at her. She loves it. Wow, this one is so perfect. Look, Mommy. Oh, that's a beautiful apple. Good job. I got them. Good job, honey. Those are perfect.
Do we need this type? This one, yes, right here.
No, we're not getting any.
Oh, I guess you're right.
These grapes look perfect.
Great choice, honey.
Ooh, look at the apples, Dad. Don't forget the apples. Got them. Look, Mommy.
Yes, sweetie, that's the one we need. Looks good.
Does this one look right?
Yes, that one. It's my favorite. I found it, Dad. You did it, champ. Good job. Yay! Let's get it home. Perfect. Let's go.
Yay, milk and apples.
Mom, is this one fresh?
Yes, that one's perfect.
Yay! No, not there. Ah. Hello, could you help me, please? Almost there. I can do this. Got it. Daddy, please.
Just one more minute, kiddo.
Yay, thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. You're welcome. I got it. Run! You
Yes, you did.
Perfect.
Look all this food.
Yep, we got everything.
Bananas, then milk,
Mm-hmm.
and cereal, the chocolate kind.
Yes. Yay! I'm so excited! Oh!
Look at her.
She's so happy. Look, we're almost there. Yay, let's keep going.
All right, just a little further.
All right, let's put these up here.
Look at them go.
They'll be ready in just a moment.
Here's the milk,
Thanks, kiddo. What's next?
apples and bread.
Great. Got the juice and cheese?
Okay, looks good.
Oh, nice.
What's he doing?
Almost done, sweetie.
Let's fold this top together.
Thanks for helping us, honey. Good job.
All right, family, bags are secure. Let's head out.
I got my own bag.
That's my girl. Look, we're almost outside.
Yeah, let's go get in the car.
Come on, let's go.
So bright.
Look, there's a puppy. Oh, that's adorable.
Watch where you're going, sweetie.
Look what I found, fresh milk.
And bread for sandwiches.
Ooh, don't forget the orange juice.
Watch me put my apple down.
Hi there. It's so lovely to see you.